welcome back to another video. So my name is Poma Murmu and this video is going to be one of the best video ever of my YouTube channel, because in this video I am going to say everything totally truly about that how did I practice English and how did I practice tenses by making the sentences of our own in detail, because this is the thing that you have to do in your at home, but many of you don't know. That's why I am making this video. So please let me know in the comment section if you really like it, and if you really want to learn that type of things. In another video I will describe it later. So here I am with you, like this is like I have taken this diary, and I suggest you to take a one copy with a one pen and just write it down whatever I am going to say in this video. So what you have to do is just what, just take a copy or like notebook. So here I am going to write something. As you can see here, I think it is visible to you. So what you have to do is just suppose I am making the sentence from my own word, from my own sentence, like walk I walk. I'm making the sentence from the simple present tense. Simple present tense. Here, I walk. I have written like this. Okay. So, what you have to do is just convert this walk, this sentence, I walk. Do you know means simple present tense? Do you know the formula of simple present tense? I think I should write this like subject plus my verb plus my s slash SAS plus my object. So here first we start with this small sentences. I walk. This is what? This is a simple sentences that I have made right now, and this is the formula: subject plus my verb plus my SAS plus my object. So what you have to do is I have made this I walk sentence. Then what you have to do, just write it down. Just write it down of the negative. I don't walk. Now make it into the interrogative. Do I walk? And again what you have to make, negative interrogative. Convert this sentence into negative interrogative. So do I not walk? Like this. As you can see here, maybe this is visible to you. Here I read I walk. I don't walk. Do I walk? Do I not walk? Okay. Now what you have to do? Why do I not walk? Whom do I not walk? What do I not walk? What is there that I do not walk? What is the reason that I do not walk? So as you can see here, I have written what? I walk. I do not walk. Do I walk? Do I not walk? Um, uh, as you can see here, what I have written? Why do I not work? Whom do I not work? What do I not work? What is there that I do not work? What is the reason that I do not work? As you can see here, what is the reason that I do not work? So this is the way to practice English, guys. In the same way, you have to make a sentence from the simple present tense and present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense, and also with the past tense and future tense. And you have to make a sentence of about a 50 sentence of your own from the each tenses rule. Suppose if you will take a present continuous tense, just make a sentence about 50 by your own words, by using your own verbs, and just convert it into this. convert it into positive, negative, interrogative, and then how, when, where, what, and just use all these things and convert it into the sentences into this form, into this format. So what you have to do is just write it down, and what you have to do is just practice by your own. Suppose you don't have to write many things in your notebook, just take, means it is for the initial days you have to practice like this, and the second day, if you will be used to it about the formula, if you will used to it about the format, then take a any random sentence and just convert into positive, negative, interrogative by their own, by their using their own words, and just convert it into by using your own mouth. Don't write it down your notebook, just convert it into by your own mouth. Okay, so this is the best way to like be a fluent in English, and this is the best way to practice at home about your English. So that's for today, guys. Please let me know in the comment section if you really want to learn, and if you really find any kind of things that it is really helpful or not. So please let me know in the comment section. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Bye bye, thank you.